You like earbuds? Well, boy, do I have a gift for you guys. What's up? It's your boy, and we're here to review Tozo. Is Tozo any good? That's what we're here to find out. They have a bunch of different headphones. We got some earbuds here. They're called the NC20s. Brand new, fresh release. These aren't even out yet, baby. We got a sneak peek of the brand new thing they got to offer, so I'm pretty excited to test them out. They got active noise canceling. They have LDAC codec and high-res wireless audio, and exclusive SDLC patented technology. They have powerful hybrid active noise cancellation, immersive spatial audio, and it's got a little screen on it. That's my favorite part. This is such a tiny box. I'm just like, what am I gonna do with this? I don't know. But I'm hyped because I know that these guys are pretty budget. I don't know the official price, but I know they're pretty affordable. And the active noise cancellation is like -46 decibels. Okay, so we have a Type-C, a little short power cable. My goodness, that is really short. Okay, then we have some extra earbuds. Wow. So you have 5 different sizes you could try out. Okay, then we have this part. We got a little egg. I always like these little pods. They always look like little alien eggs, you know what I mean? Isn't that cute? Look at that, dude. You ready for the plastic peel? Here it is. Here we go. There's one. There's 2. That is nice. That's a nice big screen. Look at that thing, dude. Okay, there's the side, the back. There's your Type-C where you're plugging in. There's your probably your pairing button. Oh, 97%. Thanks for charging it up, Tozo. You're the man, dude. Okay, there's some more plastic in here. Okay, we got the plastic out. Check our little earbuds here. Ooh, it's very similar to the like the new AirPod shape. Please remove. Okay, got some little magnets down there. Some rubber where your ear goes. You know, that part goes in your ear. Wow, who would have guessed? Headphone reviewer of the year. There's actually 6 AI microphones on this thing to help with noise cancellation and background stuff, like when you make calls, which is super handy. So when you're trying to listen to music and you want to like pull it out of your ear for a second because somebody talked to you, it'll pause the song. It's got like sensors in your ear, so you could tell like when, you know, when you pull it out, put it in, when you put it back in, the music starts playing again. So you don't have to go in your phone, pull it out. And if you're exercising and you want to just, oh, okay, and not have to like touch your phone, you know. Very helpful, especially blue collar work. Hands get dirty. You don't want to touch your iPhone with that nasty grease hand. Don't worry about it. So we're gonna test that out, make sure that works. Okay, now that we've got our little nugget, we got a little screen there. We got our left and right indicator. Let's talk about specs on these things a little bit. It's got Bluetooth 5.4, so that's the latest Bluetooth technology. It can stay connected to 2 devices at once, like your phone and your laptop, and they can just switch seamlessly between them both. It's IPX8 waterproof and durable, so you know, you get an accidental splash on it. I wouldn't submerge this in water, but if you were like out jogging in the rain or whatever, they're not gonna break. But like I said, I wouldn't fully submerge them. They can't really handle the pressure, but if you were to like, somebody sprayed you with a hose or you were to like walk right through a sprinkler, like you'll be okay. It's got 80 hours total playtime with the case, 30 hours on a single charge, 80 hours total, and that's with active noise cancellation off. I use AirPods for a long time actually, and the one problem that I really had with them is I never knew when to charge them. Like, it's really nice that these have like a little, you see just 93%, and it's got an indicator for each one. I need to be able to see like what charge percentage. I think they added like an app on the phone that like added the percentages or whatever, but like it'd be a lot better if it was just on the case. I don't like, the whole point of these is to not have to like open up my phone, you know, stuff like that. So anyways, and there's a Tozo app. You can do a bunch of different EQ settings on there, so we're going to set that up and I'll walk you through a little bit of the different settings for the Tozo app. Also, a couple things I forgot to mention. This one's in titanium black. They may have other colors available later, but there's the only color I saw on the Amazon, and they're a 32 ohm. Also, you can get 5 hours of listening from a 10-minute quick charge through the USB-C. So if you're, you know, real quick, you know, you need emergency 5 hours of listening time, all it takes is 10 minutes. That's pretty convenient. And that's it. So let's get it connected. Let's hear what they sound like. We'll test them out. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to head to the App Store or the Google Play Store. And then you're going to type in Tozo. Tozo, tech around you. You're going to download that. You're going to hit open. Dang, that mesh Wi-Fi busted it out quick, guys. Is that video out yet? Probably not. Add device, Tozo NC20, connecting to device. It says approach the phone. Device connected. It has battery percentages there. I'm not going to take a hearing test. So we have ear tune, active noise cancellation, transparency mode. Let's go noise cancellation. Oh yeah, baby, I don't hear a thing. Yeah, it's getting way louder when I talk now. Whoa, windproof mode. I guess if it's a windy place, leisure mode. If you're hanging out in a coffee shop or something. Normal mode and adaptive mode. They have different EQs. You go to EQ zone and they have a whole bunch of different ones. They have custom ones made by people. You can make your own, created by me. You can do advanced effects. You could edit the whole wave, do whatever you want, man. You want this, you want that down there, man. There you go, dude. Boom. Save that. Name it Noodle. Noodle. Boom. Boom. Custom. Go to different sound mode. Ordinary. You can do spatial audio. Boom. Spatial audio. Turn on normal mode. And we'll take a listen to this. Okay, now we'll listen to some music. Oh yeah, this is already too loud. And it's like... Dude, that's good, bro. I can't hear anything. I feel like I'm underwater. Is it gonna fall out? Let me take my mic off. Hey, that's pretty good. Okay, I'll put it up to the mic so you guys can hear, but hey, that's pretty good. It's got some touch controls too. If you tap it once, you pause it, and then you can hit it again to play it. Okay, I'm gonna pull it out. It paused. Hey, it says I keep grabbing it at the top, but you just gotta grab it from the bottom. Otherwise you'll pause it every time. Okay, cool. So let's see what it sounds like now. Alright, anyways, you guys get the idea. Tozo NC20 active noise cancellation. Man, it feels so weird to not hear anything. It's hard for me to even think. Maybe it's easier for me to think. I'm not sure. Anyways, Tozo NC20, tell me what you guys think about them. I think they're pretty awesome. Like I said, they're a good budget-friendly option. They're at Walmart, they're on Amazon, they're on all the good stuff. Just take a look at their stuff. They got like some really good $30 headphones out there and stuff, but these ones, bangers. Active noise cancellation, good call noise cancellation, a freaking screen that shows the charging amount. That's my favorite part. That's so awesome. Look at that, still 93%, not too bad. Pretty easy to put away. And now I can hear again. Like I said, really cool screen. Check out Tozo. I'll leave a link for this in the description. It should be coming out probably by the time I release the video, hopefully. If you don't like these and you just want something a little different, definitely check out their website because they got a little something for everybody. That's pretty much it. I like them. Good job, Tozo. You did good. I'll give you a 9.5 out of 10. Loved it. If you liked the video, smash like, subscribe, check out my, check out my tech review playlist, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Thanks, Tozo.